Welcome to this Centrifuge tutorial. In today's video, we'll be covering everything you need to know about Centrifuge, a decentralized finance platform that enables users to tokenize real-world assets and engage in a wide range of financial activities, such as lending and borrowing, all within the blockchain ecosystem. Centrifuge empowers businesses and individuals by bringing real-world assets onto the blockchain, providing access to liquidity without the need for traditional financial intermediaries. Get started with Centrifuge. The first step is to create an account on the platform. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to connect your crypto wallet and explore various features of the platform. Centrifuge supports a variety of assets, including invoices, real estate, and even NFTs, which can all be tokenized and used for lending or borrowing. The platform ensures secure and transparent transactions by leveraging the power of blockchain technology. Centrifuge operates through a network of decentralized oracles, which provide data feeds that help in the evaluation and management of tokenized assets. This ensures that the tokens represent real-world value and reduces the risk of market manipulation or fraud. One of the key features of Centrifuge is its focus on providing users with the opportunity to earn yield on their assets. Through a process known as liquidity pools, users can lend their tokenized assets to others and earn rewards in the form of interest. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Centrifuge platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Centrifuge and start earning yield with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. By using Centrifuge, you can take advantage of a fully decentralized and transparent financial ecosystem, where you can access capital and offer liquidity without the need for intermediaries like banks. It's a great way to get started with DeFi and make your crypto assets work for you. Whether you're an investor, business owner, or looking to earn yield, Centrifuge offers a secure and efficient platform for tokenizing and monetizing real-world assets. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials on DeFi and blockchain platforms.